we are in the process of doing a walkthrough after a deep clean and inventory. And what we're looking for is damages, things for improvements like the TV. We're going to get it swapped out. The TV still works, but it's old and antiquated. And we happen to have a nice brand new 50-inch TV in the office that the owner purchased. So they want to swap that out. This is a very nice leather ottoman that, or stool, or whatever you want to call it, bench, that has just, leather. If you scratch with your fingernail, it gets the stuff in there. So you can put some conditioner on it, and it should be treated probably once or twice a year, and it'll take away a lot of these boo-boos and stuff like that. It's not damaged necessarily, but it will make it look a lot better, and as part of our list that we're making for a housekeeper to come in and do touch-ups, this could be one of the things.
So what's the process that's going to happen?
Okay.
So who does what?
So next song, so Dee Dee is the one making these work orders.
All right.
She's gonna make a work order for her, and then like another thing that would be on this list of work orders for the housekeeper that's gonna come in and do the touch-ups is we see that this chair has been gashed. Maybe somebody had a knife in there. Yeah, it just happens. But this is a real quality. The chair is not. I mean, the floor is uneven, but the chair is a solid chair. It doesn't need to be replaced, but it needs to be touched up.
But that also.
No, I think the floor is uneven. Anyway, maybe we're missing something down here.
Yep.
Well, you know what I mean? Maybe that's something we need to look into. Okay. That'll be next. Anyway, in the meantime, then we have these color marker or crayons or whatever they can get to maybe even this out a little bit. See what we can do there. But that would be a great to add to the list for a housekeeper or maybe Dee Dee does it herself. I don't know. But we're making a list to come back in and do these touch-up things. Now we're going to flip this over and figure out what's going on with this chair. Because my guess is it's missing something down here to make it uneven.
Or they're just two different ones. So like this one, these two are different than the one in the back.
I don't know. It doesn't seem like it should be that off, but we're trying to.
Well, no, there is. I can see it different right here. This one actually has
it's
one
like
of
a
those
double.
plus,
yeah,
and they
uneven.
actually put that one on top.
Yeah, and look at the difference with this and this
Correct.
one. So you're right. Let's get that off of there. There we go. I think I fixed it.
Yeah, you might have. All right, let's take a look.
All right.
Heave ho. Nope, that's actually worse. So that was a good Band-Aid.
It seems like this one is the problem child. I don't know why, but it seems like. Let me just try it on a different part of the floor.
All right, so perfect case in point. We have a chair that's needs a little TLC to get it so it's a little more stable.
Let's see if we have
Just need a little bit more.
Let's see if we
way.
can check the other things around here. Let's check the other stools and see if we our chairs and see. No,
That one's stable.
good. Good.
That one's stable.
That one's good too. So it's
This
just,
one's
that would be
this one
probably
and this one.
Okay.
This guy.
So we could actually take something and maybe tag it and have one of the guys come back, I guess, and work on the legs. Is that what we would do?
Yeah, so a tag, and so maybe we do need some way of actually tagging, like an actual label or something.
Blue tape.
So blue tape or something that we would actually mark either whatever the location is that we would have, work or some detail that would actually have to have
Specify it, yeah.
that would be on there. So blue tape with some instructions.
Or she's going to send a work order. It'll just be
I'm
identified
gonna
by.
send a work order.
Work order, yeah.
The instructions in the work order.
Okay.
And just say, look for the chair that has the blue tape.
Yeah, and maybe even if you had a few different things labeled, 1, 2, 3, 4, just to maybe even make it a little bit easier, just to kind of add some additional clarity to it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get
Chair
blue tape.
2 needs.
Blue tape.
We need to get blue tape. We can get some out of the truck probably. Right? Do you have any in the truck?
No. I don't believe I do.
It's been better for our video.
All right.